In today's video, I want to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name. And I'm going to show you how you can do this if you have a branded account or if you have a personal account. So let's get started. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we talk about the tools, the tips, and the strategies so you can make money on YouTube. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And today's tip that I want to talk about is how you can change your channel name for whatever reason, if you get sick of your name or you just want to rebrand. And I'm going to show you how you can do this if you have a branded account or if you have a personal account. So let's hop over the computer and let me show you how you can do it on both. All right, I'm on my YouTube channel here. This is one of my personal accounts, my other account, and I'm going to show you how you can change your name. It's really quite simple. All you do is you click on this little circle up here, go to YouTube Studio, and then you go to Customization, Basic Info, and then you click on this little Edit Channel Name pen right here. And this is where you can change your name. So you can tell that this is a personal account because I have to put in a first name and a last name. So let's just, if I wanted to call this Greene Gaming, the best gaming channel. And then once I hit publish, and if I go back to my channel, might take a little bit, but right here you can see that it's changed my channel name. Now let me show you how you can do this on a branded account. So if I switch accounts here and I go to this one and go to my channel, same thing, go to YouTube Studio, go to Customization, and then go to Basic Info. Right here, if I click on the Edit Channel Name, now you can see I don't have first name, last name, so I can add as many different characters as I want. So I can say Pro Health Urgent Care of Rochester Hills, Lake Orion, and you can only have 50 characters. So let's just keep it at Pro Health Urgent Care of Rochester Hills. If I hit publish, and then I go back to the channel, you can see that it's changed the name from Pro Health Urgent Care to Pro Health Urgent Care of Rochester Hills. So that is how easy it is to change your channel name for a branded channel as well as a personal channel. Now, YouTube can be a little overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner, and there's a lot of little tips just like this one, changing your channel name. And I put together a full playlist that goes over all of the little hidden secrets that you need to know about YouTube. And I will leave that right here so you can go check that out. But if you don't want to watch that, go watch this video. And that is a video that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.